Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Discord app icon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So, Discord, the platform uses a server to connect people to one another. Servers generally follow a particular focus or theme where people can discuss and exchange image, links, and information. The server offers both text channels and voice chat via a microphone and various devices. On my previous video, I've shown you how to use Discord, how to create account on Discord. And now, what if you want to change the app icon on Discord? It's very simple. So as you can see in here, here's the default app icon on Discord. And if you want to change it, you can just open the Discord. You can go to settings by tap on your profile, tap on the up right corner and the settings in here. You can just scroll down until you find there is an option app icon. You can just select on that. So here's all the app icon that you can use. There's so much option. Maybe for the example, you want to change to ceramic like this, or blurple twilight, or maybe this one. You can choose the one that you like this. And let's see. Now you have changed your Discord's app icon. It's very simple, right? And one thing you should do before you change your app icon, you can upgrade your account to Nitro Boost on Discord. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change app icon on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.